some bartenders on YouTube and other bartenders that are not just YouTube but all around the world will say don't get flavored or spiced or what have you spirits, okay? Such as don't get like Crown Royal Vanilla. I'm thinking no, that's not a good way to think about it. Having a spirit that's flavored or spiced how you like it, and if you use it for one specific cocktail, is fine, as long as you don't try to use it for all cocktails. Because, for instance, this Crown Royal Vanilla, I used it before I got this Old Forester for Manhattan. I figured I like cherry vanilla, so cherries from the Luxardo cherry mixed with the vanilla notes within Crown Royal Vanilla, plus it's a more rye whiskey, because Canada is known for being rye, would fit well, and it does. So, though you will hear from other bartenders, don't use spice, don't use flavor, don't use, the Captain the Kraken vanilla or pineapple or coconut or what have you. If you use it for one specific cocktail, you're fine. Just don't expect it to work across the entire gamut of cocktails that could involve such a spirit. Okay?